Good morning. I just thought I would take the opportunity here to show you how I write my file names for the 3D printing. This is part of my Trumpet 3D print project. I'm reducing it to 75%. And as you can see right here, I put that 75% in the front so that when it comes to Octoprint, I can see that. Definitely, it's not going to get cut off. And then we have these second valve tube sections. I'm just going to take that off because it's both sections. And then we have 215, that's the hot end, that's the extruder temperature. 75 is the bed temperature. This is 45 millimeters per second. And I know that sounds really slow to some people, but I'm actually doing this because of the fact that it's clear PLA, and I want to see if that real slow, I mean, clear PLA in general does not, it's so annoying. I want to see if this 45 millimeters per second is going to help the adhesion problems that I always seem to have with clear PLA. And then over here is 10% infill. Again, I mean, with clear PLA, you're like, well, it's clear PLA. You could see through it. Not really. I'm wondering if it's because I always do at least 20% infill. And this is going to be a rather large file, so I'm hoping that the 10% will allow it to at least show a shadow. Because if I put like a light through the feeder behind the feeder tube, I can't even see the filament through that. It's really kind of crazy, but yeah. Anyway, standard quality. I actually want to see if I can make a super one that will generate also in 9 hours, and then whether or not it has structure added. And that's how I label my files so that I know I can differentiate. So like I'm gonna make this standard one because it's if I make the super, if I go back and I don't do this simple file save, and then I go back and I do the super, and then I realize the super is gonna make it like 14 hours. I don't want to come back here and have to write all of this back out again. So I'm going to keep the standard. And yeah, just a consideration for your file saving standards. I should also mention that it's that these are all in their own 3/4 folder. So I actually have different stuff for that.